So we're just going to talk a little bit about truck designs. So we're going to talk about Cybertruck, the Rivian, Ford F-150 Lightning, and the new 2025 Ram Charger. So if you talk to Elon, what he says is the Cybertruck was redesigned because trucks don't need to stay the same structure, design as they've been for, the past 100 years because they're not gas anymore. So that's his reason behind it. But in reality, the reason why the Cybertruck is designed the way it is because stainless steel, you can't bend stainless steel with a curve in it. So if you look at the entire truck, everything is a straight line. All the angles are straight line because stainless steel, you can't put a curve on it. So, the sales pitch is that Cybertruck was designed this, crazy way because they wanted to reinvent the truck. But in reality, it's designed that way because stainless steel, you can't bend it, except for at a straight, line. So that's the reason why the Cybertruck is designed its way, and to give it an exoskeleton structure to save weight for the batteries. Now the truck weighs a ton anyway, but that's the reason why they created an exoskeleton, which is the stainless steel structure. Now, if you create a truck with exoskeleton and the rear bumper structure is not, it's tough. It's built with the exoskeleton. If you watch Whistling Diesel, you'll see, a great video of why you need a frame. And if you look at Ford, Ram Charger, Chevy Silverado, they have 100 years of experience building trucks because they don't want to change the design of the truck because the truck is designed very, very well. It's got, like I said, hundreds of years of figuring out, do you need a frame? Do you need a full frame? Or can you do this unibody structure? And if you're hauling something, no, you have to have a frame to haul something because you got to have a little bit of flex. There's requirements for, towing a vehicle with a frame structure. And as you see on Whistling Diesel's video, they ripped the bumper clear off of the Cybertruck because it doesn't have a full frame under it. So, when you're seeing F-150 Lightning, they built it off the F-150 structure, and the Ram Charger, they built it off the Ram 1500 structure. Now the Ram did change it a little bit to meet these new, EV things like, more room for a battery, and, they changed certain things to make it work for an EV structure. But they didn't change the way, it still has a full frame, still has a regular bed. So they didn't change those. The only thing you really have to change, or you could change on, like Ford F-150 Lightning or the Ram Charger, is technically you could give it a smaller hood. But if you look at the F-150 Lightning, you can also use the hood as a lockable storage area. So there's pluses and minuses. But as for the Cybertruck redesigning, reinventing the truck, it's not true. It is designed that way because stainless steel requires a 90-degree corner. And the truck industry has had hundreds of years or 100 years of, testing and checking and seeing, what can be done with a truck to haul things, haul a travel trailer, haul a gooseneck, haul just a trailer, or just haul stuff in the back of the truck. And there's a reason why these trucks are designed that way, and it's because you need that design. If you're putting things in the back of a truck and it's a Cybertruck, you're not going to have the same amount of room capacity. There's certain requirements for putting, drywall in there. Even just storing, certain things, having a toolbox in the back, there's a lot of requirements, and the truck industry has had, 100 years of saying, hey, this is what it takes. Now, Cybertruck wanted to make it out of stainless steel, and that was their choice. That's my opinion, not a good choice, but That was their choice. And when you make something an exoskeleton structure, you're going to lose out on being able to haul things with it. And my opinion, that's why you buy a truck, because you want to haul things with it. So that's my 2 cents on, Cybertruck compared to Ford F-150 Lightning or the Ram Charger. Now, in my opinion, the Ram Charger is going to be the game changer in this. Ram Charger, what they're doing is really, really good. They are reinventing a truck. If there's anybody reinventing it, the Ram Charger is doing it because of its generator structure, how they're doing it, and what they're going to be saving on maintenance, and labor for the long term of this truck. How many miles it's going to get. What kind of maintenance is this thing going to require. So watch my videos on the Ram Charger, because you'll see that truck is the truck that's going to change the industry. So that's it for this episode. And again, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe, because you all make it happen.